A wonderful morning again to everyone. Every year, in the month of July, the National Nutrition Council leads the whole nation in the celebration of 2013 Nutrition Month, purposely to disseminate nutrition messages to all Filipinos through a focal theme. And this is Gutom at Malnutrisyon, Sama-sama Nating Wakasan. This is to raise awareness on the need for more action in addressing hunger as part of Philippines' commitment to the United Nations Millennium Development. So there are three objectives of the 2013 Nutrition Month celebration. First one, increase awareness on hunger issues and action to mitigate hunger and malnutrition. Second, encourage stakeholders to contribute in addressing hunger issues. And the last one, to advocate for stronger political action to end hunger. To support this developmental endeavor of the nutrition community, the Department of Education and National Nutrition Council enjoins all schools to participate in this celebration by undertaking meaningful activities which will highlight the importance of good health and nutrition. As part of our participation, the Community of Praise Integrated School prepared a presentation and some games that surely your kids will enjoy. So I will not let you wait.